Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and reading Microsoft Rewards terms so you avoid violations. Create accounts only for actual, different people in your household and verify identities where required. This protects you from bans. Once done, add accounts into a Microsoft family group and set clear purposes per person. That step explains why you won't risk suspension and how centralizing management reduces mistakes. Make sure to record credentials securely and enable two-factor authentication for each account. Next, focus on legitimate earning strategies so each person maximizes their own rewards without policy issues. Use Microsoft Edge and Bing searches for daily credits, complete daily sets and quizzes, and take advantage of personalized offers and store purchases. Once done consistently, points accumulate naturally and you avoid suspicious activity patterns. Track progress from each account's dashboard, prioritize higher-value redemptions, and stagger activity times to match normal human usage rather than automated bursts. Finally, redeem each account's points into eligible rewards or family gift cards, making sure redemptions follow program rules. Protect accounts with two-factor authentication and review sign-in activity so you can spot problems early. If an account is flagged or you face errors, stop risky actions and contact Microsoft support with the account owner's details to resolve issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if access is restricted, avoid creating replacement accounts and instead provide required verification to support for reinstatement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.